Hi, in this video, I'll be talking about installing Visual Studio and the settings you need for creating websites. After you've downloaded Visual Studio, you just need to double-click the file to install it. Then you'll be asked how you want to configure it, so press Continue. In our case, we'll be using it to create websites. You need to select the workloads that you want to use. I'm going to select ASP.NET and Web Development. You can always select other ones later by installing more workloads. On the installation details side over here, just make sure you scroll down and you want to tick this one on the bottom, Additional Project Templates. So that'll give us more website templates. Then Install. Once it's installed, you can launch the program by clicking the Launch button. You'll probably want to install some extensions, which will give you extra functionality. I'll explain some of these options in the next video, but for the moment, click Continue without code. If you go to the Extensions menu and Manage Extensions, you'll see all the extensions that are available in Visual Studio. In the search box, type Web Essentials. Then download. You can also install any other extensions that you want, including the Web Accessibility Checker. The Web Essentials extension adds some shortcuts for HTML and CSS and other features that make Visual Studio a bit easier to use. Once it's downloaded and installed, you can close this screen and you're ready to start creating your first website.